In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile image from your Big Cartel account. If you've been looking to change things up or simply want to remove your existing photo, this guide will take you through the process step by step. It's a simple task, but ensuring you know each detail will make this process a breeze. First, you'll need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your store, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a series of menu options available. Among these options, you should locate and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings where all your personal and store-related details are listed. Now, you're one step closer to managing your profile image. Underneath your current profile image, there's a crucial step that needs your attention. You need to delete your current photo before making any changes. So, take your mouse and hover over your profile image. As you do this, you'll notice a small trash icon appearing. This is your go-to tool for removing that image. Click on the trash icon that's now visible. This action will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're absolutely sure you want to delete your image. Go ahead and confirm by pressing delete. This step is designed to ensure you don't remove the image by accident, so it's always a good practice to double-check that this is indeed your intention. It's a quick confirmation, but it helps prevent any unintended deletions. And just like that, you're done. The profile image will be removed and you're all set. This may seem like a small change, but managing how your account reflects your brand or personal preferences can make a significant impact. Remember, if later down the line you decide to upload a new photo or make any additional changes, you can always come back to this section of your account settings and update your profile as needed. This straightforward process ensures that your Big Cartel account reflects exactly what you want at all times. Thank you for following along with this guide today. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials to enhance your online store experience.